Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepika here, and today I'm going to review a hand sanitizer. This might not seem like a product that you wanted a review on, but I felt like it's really important part of our lives, and most people tend to forget or ignore them, but you should not, because it's not good for your health. There are a lot of germs gathering up in the environment lately, and not lately, from a really long time, but prevention is no, precaution is always better than prevention. So I felt like this is a good product to actually think about, because it's rainy season that's coming up, and hand sanitizers can be a really good thing in rainy season. It's by the brand Zuki. I think some people also pronounce it as Zuchi or something. I pronounce it as Zuki. So yeah, I'm going to review this product today. First confession about this product is its price, and this one retails for 40 rupees. Earlier it was about 30, then it became 35, and now finally it's landed on 40. So it comes in a small container like this, and I really like it. I like the packaging because it's really small and petite, and it goes in all your handbags or purses or anything, so I really like it. My second confession about this product is its packaging, and this comes in a rectangular tube which narrows up in the top, and it has a click type of cap which is really comfortable, and all the details of the product and the brand name are on the front, and everything else is in the back, like the manufacturing. The small bottle has 30 ml of product in this, which I feel is really good because it runs for a really long time. I use it constantly every day, but still this runs for about 1, 2, or I don't know how many months exactly. I've never counted it as such. So yeah, and it also comes in a bigger size, like this big or something, and I've never actually bought that because I usually tend to carry this in my purses while I'm out, so I never had the use for that. My third confession about this product is its quality, and this has a lot of pros. The first pro is that it has amazing scents. It has almost 30 to 40 variants of smells, scents that you can choose from, and I'm sure you will definitely like a bunch of them, and you will feel like picking up all of them. And I've definitely felt that, and I really like this scent especially. This is my favorite. This is citrus lime, and it has with vitamin E, which is really good, and it has really amazing smell. I'm just gonna use it. So refreshing, and it just lightens up your mood, if you know what I mean. It has small tiny particles. They do kind of melt into your hand, and I guess that's the main source of scent, and I really like that. This liquid is not too thick and not too liquidy, so it is a perfect mixture of both the kind of textures, and it does not get sticky whatsoever. So I really like that. It dries up pretty fast, so that's good. The only con that I found with this product is that you can't really find this everywhere. You do have to search a bit. You can find it in Health and Glow and many of the beauty centers, and also Hypermart. Yes, you do get in Hypermart, but it does not carry all the scents. It does carry like 5 to 6 maybe max, and yeah, that's a disappointment. As promised, I'll be giving away one product every month, and this month is Zuki hand sanitizers. I really love them, and I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and buy them if you can get hold of one. Zuki came out with a campaign, I think Clean India, Happy India, and they kind of made this small pack where they have orange, white and green, our national flag. I'm really proud of them for doing this, and I'm going to give away this one. It has orange, natural and green apple scents in this pack, and one lucky winner will be winning this. So are you excited? And let me know in the comments down below if you're excited, and what do you think about Clean India, and how do you want to make India clean. And yes, that's it for today. I hope you like this video and you do enter the giveaway. All the details for the giveaway will be down in the description box, so do not forget to check that, and see you next week. Bye bye. What you need for this trick is a tomato. today I have a haul video because Nykaa.com had a discount going on. I kind of bought some tips and bits that I needed, so I'm gonna share with you.